Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how you can like sell Swimfin online and make money by it. So if you don't know about Swimfin, we will cover that in this video that what is Swimfin. So we are at the Wikipedia of Swimfin and then we'll understand about that and then we'll come to the point that how to sell Swimfin online. Swimfin. Swimfins, driving fins, or flippers are fin-like accessories worn on the feet, legs, or hands. Sorry, and made from rubber, plastic, carbon fiber, or combinations of these materials. To add movement through the water in water sports activities such as swimming, bodyboarding, body surfing, float tube fishing, kneeboarding, riverboarding, scuba diving, snorkeling, spearfishing, underwater hockey, underwater rugby, and various other types of underwater diving. Swimfin helps the wearer to move through water more efficiently, as human feet are too small and inappropriately shaped to provide much thrust, especially when the wearer is carrying equipment that increases hydrodynamic drag. Very long fins and monofins used by freedivers as a means of underwater propulsion do not require high frequency leg movement. This improves efficiency and helps to minimize oxygen consumption. Short, stiff-bladed fins are effective for short bursts of acceleration and maneuvering and are useful for body surfing. Types of swim fins. Types of fins have evolved to address the requirements of each community using them. Recreational snorkelers generally use lightweight, flexible fins. Freedivers favor extremely long fins for efficiency to energy use. Scuba divers need large, wide fins to overcome the water resistance caused by their diving equipment and short enough uh, maneuvering. Ocean swimmers, body surfers, and lifeguards favor smaller designs that stay on their feet when moving through large surf and that make walking on the beach less awkward. Participants in the sports of underwater hockey or underwater rugby use either full foot or open heel fins, and the chosen fin style is usually a compromise in performance between straight line power and turning flexibility. Carbon fiber blades are popular at higher levels of competition, but the overriding requirement is that the fins must not have sharp or unprotected edges or points, nor buckles, which could injure the other competitors. Structurally, a swim fin compromises a blade for propulsion and a means of attaching the blade to the wearer's foot. So I hope now you've got the idea about swim fins. So now let's move forward to the main thing, that is how to sell swim fins online. So as you can see, I've searched your eBay, and in the eBay I will search swim fins. As you can see, I've searched here swim fins, and you can see there are a lot of um, products with different qualities and different colors. So we'll check the one product and then we'll calculate the total income of the product seller. So like if this is $28 product, so let's calculate if he got let's see where his calculator, like if we get 30 orders in a month, like then how much is the price? $28, right? He's sorry, where's the yes, 28 multiplied by 30. So it's been at $40. If we convert uh, at 40 USD to PKR, so it is like 2,30,000 plus income per month. So it's basically a handsome amount of earning you can earn by selling Swimfins. So I hope this video you found this video helpful. So that's it for the today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.